Lesson 27, page 34, half steps. Half steps mean to play the next key to the right, which may be black or white. So half step can go like this from E to F, or from this black key to this white key, or this white key to this white key. The sharp is always before the note, and it's always after the letter. So let's see if we can see how the C comes after the letter C sharp, but it comes before the note. What's the name of this note, everybody? This would be called F most of the time, but sometimes it's called E sharp. Name this one. G sharp. How about this white black key here? D sharp, isn't it? Because that's D sharp. What about this one? F sharp. And this one is A sharp. How about this note? B sharp. All right. We're going to play hot air balloon now. On this one, we're going to play the third finger on the F sharp. Notice that there's a tie here. You're going to hold this down really for 6 counts, aren't you? You're not going to hit that note right there. You're going to keep it down for a total of 6 beats. The slur is a different pitch. That pitch is different than this one, so it's going to go up a step to the thumb there. It's also going to get louder. That's forte. Here it gets softer and slower. That's what this means, retardando, softer and slower. And that's a fermata, which means you're going to hold the last note longer than 3 counts. Let's see if we can do all that stuff, everybody. Hot air balloon from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll play this as a duet. Go 1 octave higher. 1, 2, 3. On to page 36 now. Creepy crawler. The sharp is going to be lasting for the entire measure. So this is C sharp, that's D, that's C sharp, because it was sharp over here. But once you cross the bar line, that goes back to the white key. The white key is called C natural, and then C sharp, and then D. Same thing happens in the bass clef here. This is G sharp, that's A. That note there is G sharp, because it was sharp over here. But once we cross the bar line, it cancels out these sharps and they become white keys. So that's G. That's why there's another sharp here to make that one G sharp. Okay, so let's see if we can play this now. Creepy crawler on page 36. Here's the right hand like this. The left hand is here. We're going to go real slow now. Ready, begin. C sharp, here's C natural, right? Now the third measure is the left hand 3 on G sharp, cross the bar line to G natural. Okay, measure 5, you got to get rid of those sharps. It's all white keys here. Here's measure 6. Now put your 2 back to the C sharp. We'll try that again from the beginning. Higher now, up to here. From the beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. Back to the beginning. Okay, now we're going to go to the yellow performance book, pages 19 and 20. Page 19. Ancient dance. Here's the right hand, and here is the left hand. The left hand is going to move around a little bit. It's going to go to here, and then it goes to here. Same thing with the right hand. It just slides down and up like this. So try to make these small movements just sliding on the surface. Don't look at that movement. You just have to be able to kind of glide on the top of these white keys and glide on the top of these. You can feel the edge of those white keys when you move around like this. With the left hand too, the same thing. You're going to slide around like this. So here we go. This is on F and C, and the right hand is here. 1, 2, ready, begin. Okay, go 1 octave higher now as a duet, way up here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now on to page 20. My dog. This is going to be in D major 5-finger pattern like this. What we have to do here is you'll notice that sometimes your left hand's going to play G and A, like right here, right, in the beginning. But then you have to play G sharp also. So the left hand has to be able to move around. This finger, the second finger, sometimes plays G natural, sometimes G sharp. Right now, I'd like you all to put your fingers like this and practice making this move up to feel this black key and feel this white key. Try to do that without looking at your finger doing that. Just by feeling that with the little tip of that finger, the front edge of that black key. So you don't want to look at this when you're doing that. You want to be able to play that by feeling, okay? The right hand is just going to be staying like this in this position. That's the only real thing you have to change here is that left hand's got to jump around like that. My dog. 1, 2, 3. Now here, get ready for G sharp. All right, that's my dog.